Like, what the f are you doing? Yeah. Jesus.
Jesus Christ. He just crashed.
Oh man, I'm fucking talking about, dude. And this guy's walking across the street.
Wow.
The kid's like,
Watch out, this other guy's going in front of him.
And this is an ABC. I think we're probably on. Whoa, 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 whoa! Really? What the man? You idiot! Get the out of my way! What the? Really? You almost hit me!
Oh, shit.
Pull over. Come on.
Oh yeah, now you're.
You know, I got it on camera, bro.
I don't give a. You
I
just
was
hit my
doing
car.
15
Dude, you just hit
in
my
that
car.
school zone.
You got it on camera. That's cool. Call the cops.
You brake checked me.
加州的跟我们不一样，我们的是偏那什么？
你站到中间隔道，
哦，怪不得
停这边。
一样，我们的是偏那什么？
你站到中间隔道。
哦。
Oh my god! Dude, you just gonna get up? Oh my god. You just don't care.
I have it on dash cam if you want it.
Yo, what the
Oh. look. Enrico is a bullshit. Where is he? He's gone.
Good?